Sunod daw, sunod daw.
Oo. Ina nga, bayo ba ninyo?
Okay, Mama, gilit okay?
Say good morning to them, my love. Oh.
Good morning.
Where are we going now?
Teacher. My friend, good my friend.
I love the way you did, my love. Enjoy, okay? Have fun.
Okay, I'll not cry. I'll
Yes.
cry at the school. I'll not cry.
Yeah. You have to focus also your
Cry.
yeah, you have to focus also your activities.
Look my hand.
Ah, you get hurt. Okay, come,
Teacher,
let's
you
go now.
saw my hand. This one.
See.
You saw blood.
Oh, where you get hurt?
From there at the table, and I'm doing my hand like this, and I put my hand like this.
Ah, okay, sige na. We are late already.
He's like cry.
Yeah, dry. Come, go na. Wow. I love the way you did, my Lasalo. I love you.
Ah, butterfly.
Yes.
What happened?
Ah, go run. There's a lot of insect here, run.
It's raining because I'm sick.
Yeah.
It's raining.
Yes.
It's raining.
Yeah, sige na. We are late na. Ah, dali, delikado ni umagi kay na punong kahoy manggod.
Mama here?
No, do go straight. Go straight.
Not here.
Okay, you wanna walk that side? Okay.
No, that side.
Go run. Come on. Hurry up.
Mama, gili already ha. Ba, Mama, gili.
Oh, magiliw. That is national anthem here in Philippines.
Yeah.
Nakawra siya. I love the way you did, sweetie. Be careful because there's a cow in there. Sige, walk directly. Come on. Wala na, naamang barangay ang naswilahan ni Shiloh kanon.
Why have cow?
Come, dali na. Wait, mommy, ha? Thank you. Pada place si Shiloh kay na ay motor. Thank you. Come on.
I don't want to go there.
Si Lulu.
Hi, Lolo.
Say good morning.
Good morning, Lolo. Morning.
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 Eh? Meeting. Nay meeting siguro dia. Si? Ako si Kuya. Okay? pang ulat ko kay kay Shiloh para magpuntahan anak. Kuwan ka. Crochet. Bagay sa akong mama. Nag-request siya. Naan siya ni nga color royal blue. Manaman ng ilang kuwan ron, feeding kay kuwan na, tampurado. Wala mo ba na kung mama ron kay kuwan na siya ginulat ko, deliver. Kuwan pa lang ni sa base pa lang ni naku na imo. Kuwan ni siya shoulder pa. Ay, sorry na. Thank you.
Look at the shoe.
Again, dali. Put color in here. Orange. Oh, apa naman si Shiloh?
Eat first. Eat
No, Kuya, look at Kuya. We have to blow. Come on, Kitty. Hurry up. Sigurado. Sige na, Kitty.
Isay mamas ka, mama.
Nagas mama sa gawa sa galong
The same, yeah, same. Come on. Kitty, I have to blow
But
this.
you
Look at Kuya.
guys like this one, green. I like green.
Yes.
I like that it is standing.
Shiloh.
Look at me. Wow. Huh?
Kitty, look at there. Shiloh. Finish, finish.
Hey, bayad!
Ako kay 26 years sa akong gatutuan ni mga taron mga gansud ko.
Buta.
Chi, thank you. Welcome. Chikit si Shiloh. Have to wait, okay? Wala, ito na. Thank you na. Say thank you sa teacher. Sige na, Bigo. Lain ang panahon karon. But winter. Kasi may super typhoon. Ulat ng mga parents. Ulat po. My love. Clipper. Clipper. Okay. Tuwait sa balihan. Nila, buwin. Sweetie, we will help them.
Paglawas ako na.
Sweetie, we will help them. Come on.
They're nothing food. Open mo na mo. Hoy, Insa!
Shiloh, don't run. What you want? Come.
Hindi niya sa kusin din i-close. Ako ka mo pag-close. Sige ha? Ako mo.
Siguro siya. Sila baka kumukuha na to.
Oh, panilhe. Ay na may Shiloh kay nagdula. Uli na abot eh. Sundo mi ni mama oh. Sundo mi ni mama. Oh. So, nay kaila ni unang kaila ni Shiloh kay katong bago mi ngadtog Maragusan adto siya sa balay kay nagpaayang mama magginlo bag kuko marunong magginlo kuko. Ah, giabrihan no. Come on. Oh. Up, up, don't step. Kaya kong bata. Mm. Na ano na siya, na adjust na siya karon. Na siya hilak. Tapad man na niya oh, kanang bata. Tomorrow, see you tomorrow. See it. See kuya, see you tomorrow. He's there. Going home. How's your school, my love?
I have typhoon.
Huh?
I
It's a
have
bad weather, my love.
It's going to rain, so
Yes.
I'll have to take shower at
Okay,
rain.
later. How's your school?
Good.
Why you're sad?
Kuya boy.
Kuya, tomorrow again. Okay?
Kuya boy.
Nanay say, nanay giapas mi ni nanay gidala si nanay og payong looy intaw na mong nanay oh. Kay padulong lagi mo ulan. Shiloh wanna play under the rain now.
Ulan na.
Sakto-sakto gyud na human ang eskwela.
Nana, we take also out in the rain, take shower.
Tama kag panilhigro.
Igo-igo po din mong pag-abot.
Mommy, you wear suit also like me. You wear suit. Mommy, you wear suit also. You wear suit.
Okay.
Like me, I go at the big room. Also, you go at the big room.
But we have to wait the rain, okay? Then you have to walk now.
No.
No, same in the morning.
Napasok naman daw.
Sige na, dali. Because it's dry. Tomorrow, carry because it will rain today, then this one will be muddy. Come, you go. Hello. Run.
Dagan-dagan man. Uy, isa pa na.
Tatay, oh. Lulu, oh. Look at the lulu. Tatay, mugo na. Dali.
Buy me all the ice candy.
Ice candy don't have. The person also went there. He's not selling ice candy now because bad weather, no?
Is it moving the clouds?
Yeah. The clouds is not good. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds. Dark. Dark. Right? Dali na. Sorry.
Kidali.
Nanay, oh.
Idadagan ho payong kay
Samsung, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Samsung.
Samsung.
Happy birthday, Samsung. I love you.
Say, my love.
Kiss.
Kiss. My love. Happy 3 years and 4 months. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Jesus love you, the Shiloh. Happy birthday to you. I love you, my love. I love you.
Catch the bubble to your mouth.
I love you.
I jump.
Happy 3 years and 4 months.